Hi guys, welcome to the first video of my 86 Golf 2 1.8 turbo. It's far from stock, so let me talk you all through all the changes I've done to it. A Golf 2 Flair, only 8,500 made of it, and approximately only 10 are imported to Holland, because originally this model has only been delivered in Germany. But as I mentioned, the 1.8 turbo, I will talk you through the other changes before I show you the motor. Brembo brakes in the front and some G60 brakes in the back. And to wrap it all up, 17-inch OZ Ultraleggera wheels to keep it on the road. Also, I'll show you the interior. But you know, only stock. Changes are coming, but I'll talk you through that later. But then, let's look to the engine. Alright. Here we go. 1.8 turbo, AJQ version, 180 horsepower stock, has been modified a bit, 2.5-inch downpipe, Group A exhaust, so it does like 200 horsepower at this moment, I guess. I have to map them once, so we'll come back to that later. I won't rev it because it's not warm yet. But you know, as you can see, 1.8. Changes are coming up. A new roll cage to give it a bit more stiffness, and also, how the fuck you? God.